Good day everyone, this is Marnus from Blue Water Gear. Today I'm going to quickly go through with you some of the new products that just arrived from Blue Water Gear. So first up on the lineup is the new tungsten putty. That's quite cool. Comes in this neat little packaging. So it's basically, as it says, a tungsten putty. It's almost like a press stick kind of material. You can see it's quite stretchy. And when it comes to something as cool as this tungsten putty, so it's basically tungsten that you would normally buy, but it's in a more pliable shape, if I can say it like that. And when it comes to something like this, I think the main thing that is your limitation will be your imagination. So where you can use it is anywhere where you need to make something heavier. So let's say you have a suspending jerkbait that you would like to become a slow sinking jerkbait. In this case, I have the Provoke from 6 cents. This is a suspending jerkbait. I can, for instance, put the putty around the first hook, which most people do with copper wire. And these hooks are quite sticky, so I don't want to hook myself. But you guys will understand the gist of what I'm doing here. So in this sense, what it will do is it will make this part heavier, like what most people do with the copper. I'm sure most people have seen. It's sticky, so it sticks to the hook. So in this sense, what it will do, it will make it. You've jerked it down to the depth that it would usually suspend, and now when you stop jerking, it's going to float slowly. This will depend on the amount of tungsten putty you put on. I can think of other applications. Let's say you're fishing weightless and you want to put it on the bottom of your hook that you're now fishing with. Let's say the wind picked up and you want to cast a little bit further, or you just want to get it down. You don't have to retie a whole new setup. Just put some tungsten putty on the hook. And yeah, if I can show you guys some more, it stretches like that. It comes in a 25-gram container. And yeah, like I said, your imagination is your limitation. Next up will be the new Arrowhead weights. These are quite cool. They've been taking the American market. I'm sure most markets, it's quite a new thing on the market these days. And as usual, Blue Water Gear is up front in that regard. So I can show you. So this is an ounce, this is a 1/4 ounce, so it's got a flatter profile. So this was designed with more beaver style baits in mind, like with a flatter profile, and this is the equivalent of the same weight, but just their normal shape that we knew. So this is 1/4 ounce, this is an ounce. With beaver style baits, I've rigged up a stroker craw here, so as you will see how nicely it like fits the profile of the bait, and because it's so slender, it should go in and out of cover easier, and it should also somehow affect the drop of the bait because this profile is now flat, so it should cause more resistance. So I'm quite eager to go and test it out and see how it affects the situation with that profile. But yeah, it'll work best with your beaver style baits. I have a 6 cent prawn here, which I like using for punching. So if you put it like that, there, let's say even see you cut down the prawn and put it like that. So you have a smaller profile bait, but you don't lose that aerodynamics when it's going down through the cover. So that's the new Arrowhead weights. And then last but not least, the new bladed Swimbait hooks, or weighted Swimbait hooks. So most of them are in 3 sizes and several weights. I think there's 5 of them, depending on your application. If I can grab the bigger 5/0 hook here. So as you'll see on Blue Water Gear, all the components are quite quality, and if you can go look on the media page, you'll see every component and how well it's made. I've rigged it up here with a 6-cent whale. So you can see how it fits well. This is a 5/0 quarter ounce that I took for the 5/0 hook. I mean the quarter ounce weight for a 5/0 hook just makes a little bit more sense. A little bit heavier hook. But like I said, you can have this in 1/2 ounce. I think there's 3/4 ounce, 3/16 ounce. So there are a few options. So bladed swimbait hooks from Blue Water Gear. And yeah, that's all from me for today. I hope you've liked the update. And yeah, go grab some.